Let's discuss my trading recap here for Ethereum. So last time Ethereum went to around 3,500 last July 22. Okay, so at around these levels. So this is actually the highest levels that we have so far since the start of this month. And when I noticed that Ethereum failed to create a new higher high, okay, so this high, right, is lower than this high. Okay, so this is what we call lower high. And when I noticed that we are forming a lower high pattern, I could safely say that Ethereum is now respecting its previous resistance levels right here. And we all know that if the price of your asset is at the resistance levels, then sooner or later it could move down and find a new support level. So that is why I shorted it at around 3,503, and then I exited at around these levels right here. Okay, so why? Because that is also a previous support levels. If you are going to zoom out, all right, here we go. So as what you can see, guys, I exited right here because that was also our previous support levels at around these areas. Okay, so Ethereum was just respecting its resistance and respecting its support levels. Okay, and now I'm currently entering a new position here for Ethereum. I am long for Ethereum as of the moment. I entered at around 3,450 levels. Okay, the support areas at around these area. And now my target profit would be at around these levels right here. Okay, so same with its previous resistance levels. I'm considering this one as my target area. But then again, I'm also considering these area right here. Okay, the fair value gap at around these levels. Okay, so I'm thinking of also taking my profits at around these areas. Okay, so at around here or at around here. So I'm just observing Ethereum as of the moment. If the momentum is still very strong, then I could take my profit at around these levels. But if I notice that Ethereum is now slowly retracing back, then I would take my profit at around these areas. And my stop loss would just be at around, okay, these areas right here at around 3,429 levels, because this is also our support levels here. Okay, so as what you can see, guys, I'm not really using a lot of complicated indicators right here. I'm just using support, resistance, trend lines, fair value gaps, because I think price action is much better compared to technical indicators. And as what you can see, guys, we are almost at our target profit here. So what I'm going to do is I will adjust this one to these levels, and I will increase our stop loss at around these areas. Okay, it means that no matter what will happen, we will be earning with around 1% gain with this trade. I will adjust it now closer to our fair value gap, and then I will just continue to trail it. If it will continue to go up, I will increase it. Okay, and anytime now. So by this process, guys, we could secure our gains. All right, so there you go. We gained with around 2% here for our trade in Ethereum. All right, now let's go to our 1-day time frame here, and let's look at Ethereum. If you could see here, it seems like Ethereum is forming a rising wedge pattern here. Okay, so this is the support levels, and this is our resistance areas right here. So as what you can see, it is a rising wedge pattern, and that is actually a bearish pattern right here. Okay, as what you can see, Ethereum is just going upwards. So sooner or later, we will be expecting Ethereum to revisit these areas right here at around 3,346 to around 3,200 levels. Okay, so I'm thinking that sooner or later, Ethereum could revisit that level and then form a new support levels at around these areas before going upwards again. So this is our price prediction and trading recap for Ethereum. I hope you learned something from this lesson. So be sure to follow us and be sure to visit our website, that's usethebitcoin.com. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Peace out.